After all these things, share the ebano. Important story. I was say, I am not gay. Ntim Fordjour Ababontene, Obian Freno. Amende, Urera radio to radio. And I say, what how on the saying? Also, me gay. A brand way on the MP for Asin South. Now, you see, this guy has been gay for a long time. And for some reason, or that idea of me a suffer. And when people hear me speak up against LGBTQI, they will not even think of me being one of them. The American brofum nyina say abrantie we, and then the school for no mo school about bontina beka say Ntim Fordjour trumu sebio ye ne school no ade ana oye no and there on am radio to radio no say onye gay intime mo obi anjindi na me pese me busa no time na and the odi anim say yemfa LGBTQ embra Ghana ekufo ado mbre so omu delay ye papa we the a man school for the bufu ya the classmates bufu ya omu nyina ba out and the omoka oye gay because they know say na otafrem be ma to onem be ma dan ni nyina say some of them knew he was gay but they decided to stay away from the conversation about him being gay. The aye mu bie before they say time a man we odi echire say yemfa trumu mra embre do say I was somebody come ekufuado a branti we kana no tu ma o ka say mama mo fa come ekufuado e ho na the classmate ka say oyenya atwem on ka no kre every say also e sofo na se sebio o se otia trumu a eye den na aban wo power the president wo power or see ono na o champion eye trumu anti LGBTQ no eye den na embre do say o say ekufuado de nsa hyekrata na se no a branti we anka bibia oye din ni nyina said they not all you say or I am leading the charge. I am against anti-LGBT. I am against LGBTQ. And that Ghana for nyina entia trumu send ye be ya na yire ene ne busuafo no ebe yi o madwene free so say sebi on tafri trumu. Nende no ne classmates na ba bontene ema mu nyina e ka say na wo na se na wo why ready pass say trumu anka sebio ye be pass mra ma na be ye mra say abe ya dia enye mra ti organa anka time a parliament pass ye no anka wo na anka wo je kratare kom ekufuado then so we ye dede nyina no mbre do the critical point for you to hand over the document to the president no you pulled out mbre do ya o say the kratare ma president sign say trumu no mra ti no Ntim Fordjour etwe no ho ni nyina ne say from the beginning no o create impression be say otia trumu not knowing say na o de kata nyoma bi so ema ne yire hu ema ne busuafo hu ema nipa odi omonim say asori panyini no ana sofo no mu hu but ende no ne nanfofo odi omuko school ne nanfofo na oni omo enante ekoba no ebuofu ema mu nyina atene to ende onam radio to radio ena o ka che Ghana for say onye gay na question bi na mpese bubusa no and it's a simple question. Papa we atena TV so nyina ka kire Ghana for say you gays for Ghana you trumu for Ghana and that opeso hemra bi na obi ye trumu a emra no ekotia no question person busa no say wo se wonye gay a how wo eye den na wotumi determine say obi ye gay ntia nko ye mra ntia no you are saying you are not gay. How do we know you are not gay? Ntim Fordjour, how can you prove to us that you are not gay? The only thing you can tell us that you are not gay. So why do you walk around in Ghana telling people, say, there are people you believe are gay, but you cannot prove beyond reasonable doubt that they are gay. But you are out of the place telling everybody, say, Obia is gay. But you so you're gay. Prove to us you are not gay. You are not able to prove to us. Why are you not able to prove to us that you are not gay? But you are on TV and on radio telling Ghanaians that some people are gay. So how can you determine that somebody is gay or not? I am not here to speak for gay people. I am not here to speak for people who are involved in that act. It is their responsibility to do that themselves. But I am questioning Ntim Fordjour now or Nam Ghana. Every single place will be a gay. And there, ya chidi so a trumu ni. The classmates for Babon Beka, they all can say being gay. Prove to us that you are not gay. Obe feel to me ashana. Suffer feel to. Softway feel to. Now if you say we are gay and I say we are gay, because you need to prove. Ugo shemra. Now, the question here is, a day prove now what the Shembran so to determine that somebody is gay in Ghana. He knew what he was doing. He know he's gay. He knew say championing or following the argument and making it look like, say, he's against Trumu for no, people will not see so you're Trumu. My question to him now is, if you are saying you are not gay, prove to us that you are not gay. It clearly, sa brand here way, or you're Trumu, or Tafri Trumu. Neniji Trumu. Okona na no ebo trumu mu a ehod onjim body se so yesofo inti ombre bontin me kire say sa trumu ade no ono onye bi because ne classmates and then ex girlfriends and then the boyfriends are fa omo na wa ba bontin be say oh ya trumu ni oh ya gay pastor inti we are still waiting. He should come and tell Ghanaians, he should come and prove to us before he says I'm championing this LGBT law and anti-LGBTQ law. We get it. We understand. If we have to put a lot together, that's cool. But you yourself, you are gay. Prove to us that you are not gay. Inti mrana wo chechire no. Sa mrana wo chechire no. Also will lead no. O de kwa wine. Because how can you determine somebody is an LGBTQ person? How can you determine this person is gay? How can you determine Imbrane or say chiwe kobono and na chiwe ko tufiase? Because if you are not able to prove to us that you are not gay, then you don't have the moral right to even sit at any table to say I am drafting a law against somebody that you think or believe, or because the way the person reacts, to things, it makes you think senipani trumu. Then it means you are clearly trumu. And right now, or classmates, the people you do what you worked with, the people you studied with. Omo no mutina school omo hu say o tafre to no. Omo no wa monta because say o tafre to. Ntim na de na wo ye nyina wo de dadaye. Ntide na wo ye nyina na wo de katakata eye o turu mutafre so. Bro chi na meka no. Thank you Mr. Fosu. Me teacher no ewo JSS and the primary. Na say de na wo ye nyina o de kata turu mutafre so. Mr. Fosu me twa na meti. Me twa. De na Ntim Fordjour nyina no na o de kata turu mutafre so. Te say turu mutafre na o de kata so, and they prove to us. On say na ahomana so the 9. When we say and the ahomana so sofu turu 9. On say and the Ntim Fordjour ahomano aso sofu turu 9. Now prove to Ghana for go on radio and TV every part of the country and tell us why you are not gay. Because you cannot just say I'm not gay. Because yamra na wo ye no ade akini ekochi obi na okasa I'm not gay. That person, do we have the right to apply the law? Do we have the right to say abranti we so gay? No okasa I am not gay the same way you are saying you are not gay. Does it mean say mbrana bedi? It means you are covering something up. Okay, boss. It means you are covering something up. Until let's all be clear here. Ntim Fordjour needs to explain and give us reasons why he's not gay. Because there are gays who have wives. There are gays who have kids. There are gays that software. There are gays that everything that people do. So Ntim Fordjour cannot just say I am a member of parliament, so I'm not gay. We have members of parliament in the MPP who are gays, and we know them. Even in the Kufuor's Jubilee House, there were gay characters there. We know. You cannot tell me, say, you are married, so you are not gay. There are so many married men around the world who are gays, and you are married. And the probability of you being gay is high because your friends are telling us. You cannot tell us, say, you are not gay because you have kids. No, there are gays who have kids. You cannot tell us you are not gay because you don't have this feminine characters or gestures. It does not make you not being gay. So tell us, say a reason to also when you're gay. Because your classmates now be Sofu trumu. Sofu gay like you. And nowadays, I am championing this. I am fighting against this. I don't want this to happen. We will stop this person. Not knowing you are trying to deceive us. Not knowing that in Ntim Fordjour, you are deceiving us. It's where I'm giving you the room. Go on your gay partner show, Metro TV. Good evening, Ghana. You and Paul Ademochu, the two of you, we know you are gays. Explain to us. Break it down to us. Give us reasons not to believe you are not gay. You are. You are gay. On say no classmates for number total. On say classmates for number total. Utafre to na nam Ghana na me sofo. And obia be every single person will know the kind of person you are. And if you are gay, what's wrong with it? Tell us. The closet. Get out of it. Come out of your closet. You are gay. Why are you fighting it? Why are you trying to use parliament to cover up your gayism? Why are you trying to make it look like because you are a reverend, you are not gay? You are. Your mates are telling us. And if you are telling us you are not gay, prove to us you are not gay. Yeah, dear. No crying baby, done and yeah, Alaji, catch Romo. Oroso.
I can actually. One has been doing. One has was Sata. One has what? I want him, Mr. Gideon. Talk about the Kajinani. I wouldn't do that. So advise me now.
Simple. So, Ntim Fordjour, Major Noaha, I'll come back to this matter again. What I wrote Pioto, wow, ratchet. Prove to us you are not gay. But just saying I'm not gay does not change the fact that you are gay. You are gay. Ntim Fordjour, you are gay. You cannot just come out and say I'm not gay. Then you can also go to parliament and draft a law and say go after gay people. You are gay. Everything about you shows you are gay. And you are hiding behind I am fighting against LGBTQ. You knew from day one that you are gay. Uropio to Tim. Wafuni e botuomwa enya adeketwa. Utipio tum. You are gay. On send the ultimate yano. On send the waferi. On say your fight against Trumu. On send the eyes will slow down kakra. Because you are gay. If you want to prove to Ghana for say unye Trumu ni on fa wano embotuoma. Branebe change him now merely saying say I am not gay. No, it has not changed the fact that we are gay. Your classmates came out to tell us that you are. Your guys, your friends came to tell us that you are gay. So tell us, explain to us. Because Pioto awawro sebio wodo was sin ati Pioto muno enye Pioto ketwa. So come and prove to us. Say you are not gay. But just saying say I'm not gay, Massa, it has not changed you being gay. So I'll be back to this matter. All right, let's continue with the show. Now, there's another story here I want us to talk about. Yes. All these things. The first story for today, and it's got to do with and the assembly ewo asantimemu. Michia otumfo said to Nana metoso na masore piao. Thank you very much, Nana. Now, and the anope sorry and near say eja ato kejetia market ewo asantimemu. Na ejebo jenenya bedu. Last week, and asebio yenuanu ni biomo kejetia ebe demonstration ye chere press conference catch Ghana for say almost share aban we ebia 1 month and next month say aban we am be ye de kejetia na phase 2 na omo ni aban we sebio omo mpene aban we mitina ha bebre kasa ka say sebio aya na yenuanu ni bi feel very entitled omo adwene omo say Ghana na ye revolve for omo ho na adenti na MPP abreso for 8 years ye hu se obi atwe support atwe sekan Abegina Bontin said they are threatening or warning the government that the same government in 2016 that constructed the phase 1 of Central Market, 8 years or quarter channel, Yentumanya Kejetia phase 2 na besi timer Saba na Saba na emuni pasa dani almost say omobede omobe threatening president in time bufu ye and I'm Casadabi Yanchire Minsa Esana Nipebi or mine much ayom who say omudia or mine ya form home and my metal to margin kamajuni yen and mass antifuni be more Central Market. Sana a warning keke no de maye ade achi the following week ya omo bi akotwaja ato market nim amende ye say oh market anhye sa anope video ye hu free eye asantememu ne mum yankohwe kejetia market.
We engage a case. How many minutes in so can Ntim be? Hello, I'm playing it. Aye.
There is CEO KJTia Central Market no enie eja eto ho ano pay me say fire service for no etumi eso eja na no mende eja no entumi anya damage na anka normally eja eye no. Now I would like to say one, say eja to baby na fire service for ba ya yes education we are for a very long time, and I have seen the fire service as a jumaku. They, for countless occasions, they have been on radio, on TV, educated Ghanaians say, "Eja to baby, na fire service ba. Munyina mun free hona munja fire service for no munyo mwejuma." And as a Ghana phone be mwejimi o. Say dambi na mabo. 90% of eja eto Ghana yentumi enso ano no. Eye yen yankasa yete ho a ye block fire service for dwumadi. Sometimes when you watch these videos, I am catch them say, "Inti I am education normally my no." And with this one, I will not blame the fire service. We have seen the fire service, the police, the MMT, DND, every single time they get opportunity to sit on radio. Omo say you use gas, send ye ejato baby a was say nyina ye twe ho na fire service for ne ba no be gum ebe dum gya no. Say fire service for aba. Now whether in so ba in so mayo, it is not your problem. Your job is that leave that place na fire service for nyo modwuma. Say eno eye jimi na we yetimo. Say eno e konkonsan. Say nyansa na yenimo. Say school na yan time konintina. Say bio yen nyansa hu say our lives yanka sankasa na ehia ya brap ya kra ni hia. If you people block the fire service personnel, e be de no motuma dum gya no. E jabe 90% a shi dan, a shi ejuma ehia yentumi so ano no 90% eye mwankasa na moma eja ne kunipa every say fire service kura aba na mo aba assess situation ansa na omodumja no na kwasi ampanyi bi de nsesi ne sisi me hu videos, so many videos are fire service edumja na Ghana ni eje eye host na free fire service ni nsem ono na ekire bebi a eja no also dum no enu ntina obi call hu school or call hu training enu ntina e ka say so person be fire service ejuma bra na go through the training and sana ya mo be fire service personnel adentina ye jimi sa de bia ya kan semwe ya kasa enwumbre me no kasa yi opama eja ento baby ye be hu nipa o mo block fire service for no ye benya nipa bia o mo fire service for no be kontokwa adentina hundum ni fa ha adena on pipe no fa ha adentina nsuo ne maaye so ba bro chire na so mo beto se eja so a enya so mo ba ya no mo wreja ni mo they first assess eja na aso no. So in a few minutes, no, you need the fire service or more technique to assess the situation before they start to tackle a ejano. Now, the video I'll share ye fire service for Abba. Fire service for no. How can they save you? How can they prevent the fire from getting serious? Inti majority, I say Jimmy, I say Nimunyansa. I say Nyoma Babuano Amayania Yabwa. Because you see, and I know Bikano. This is the work of NCC. But go there and see the NCC woman. Kwasiaba or to one or your politics. Kwasiaba 2017 to 2024. Now, sa lady no NCC. Kwasiaba no. She used all her platform to do politics. And you see, sometimes I'm say, "Oh, I didn't need power down in the office." Some of the offices, no, it is even very difficult to take people out or to sack them. And it's not, when you go to places like Shraj, NCC, and some government institution, it is not easy to get rid of the corrupt leadership because they have drafted the law in such a way, say, their term of office, they are going to finish their term. And it's a stupid woman like Sam Amen or NCC, she's still there because their laws now are created, and they are protecting Nipebi or some vital positions. We cannot do anything. So, seriously, we should start learning. The fire service, say, training, the moment it is their responsibility to save lives, to save property. Your job is to step back. By your Jimmy, They be a fire service for bape near block yomo near no kontokwa. Now the second thing is I'm going to say this and I don't care what you think or how you feel. Sa ejawe makacha Ghana for say eye ye nuanoma santifoni bia omo MPP for no ombe shikejeti ansa na 2028 aba. And sa ejawe eye deliberate omo be shi market no. And in some sense, me can't I am ya because me you know santimemu me wafa ne 2482 anka ade pa be fie dia asebio ade ntina santini ana akora wo no santime be bie na no akasa aseb no efri se minim mia me nkofo minim nipa me ne omunyini ye sa eja hihye we afa na mo start mu be hu ne serious ones omo be shikejetia no ya wo MPP for the bi wa santimemu a they will deliberately set it ablaze omo be shi market no. Say Mahama ba be phase 2 no Mayaka say Mahama de be phase 1 be phase 2 di punti oba santimemu ne de me nuano ma santifo ne bia omo ye MPP for no omo be sheda etwaja ato omo shop mu asikejetia no. So I'm going to tell the security forces now omo ye in charge of kejetia, and normally what they do ne say omo be shidwa na omo be twen omo be pon a omo to be the 1 week na gradually omo yi omo nyoma nyina efri shop wo slowly Ekanyama 2x4 bia anadwena wo bepon no na we jai gas esiso na we jai eduane keto bia esiso no atum no okọ enti obefree shop be 8 o'clock 9 o'clock saa time no edwa no 90% of people obi akọ. That is the time saa gas no ebeti bim omo be shi market no. Masa, do not underestimate this. This is not a joke. It is me say KJT market, central market, it will survive 4 years we na it will be na survive the next 8 years, the next 40, 60. Na se nyankopon ni ho. They will burn it. MPP for no be shigano. Ombe shigano no be ahye Ashanti regional minister. I am telling you. Ombe shigano no be ahye energy minister say dumso na shigano. We are here. This is just the beginning. Omo intentions MPP for plans to say omo be shikejetia no omo shi central market no maka kira santifoni bi omo MPP for say won mu central market no John Mahama nsini ye wan waya ni ye ne eti kromo na Ashanti regional minister na nim se kokuo Simono se mensa kwa campaign beka kire say kejetia no krampo no gatas ni anye ni ye kejetia no kra enye fe kejetia no kra ye nsini ye na nsuo ba na beta ho. This is how they start. They are going to destroy kejetia. They are going to destroy central market omo be shino. I will tell the regional minister, security, they need to tighten security at the central market. And yes, sir, me am call for many I know how they think. Omu bi omu MPP for the best market, no. Yet to krom ha. Intimami underestimate this annual marketing getaway. Oh, where the na stock it will be. Me say, omo be shade jagas si omo store ho. No mo de aduane si so. Omo be pon ano matum. Obeyi ni nyoma nyina kofi. Obetum the 2 weeks. Anya abotre yi ni nyoma ni say ye toto ni nyina o. Se ade me ni nyoma. Ye se ade nyoma nyina esa. Na aka ntuma be trepe. No the gas akwhye corner ho. Entuma shop. No the gas si so. No waso gas no. No the banchi miensen si so. No the so kakra bi agu no aso. No ato store mu so okofie. Anadwo 11 eja dem boom eno ano no obetweja atum obese no all because 10 in the central market no all because NDC abase obeto phase 2 so this is the typical MPP Asantini. This is what they can do. And they be ameka me see no Asantifoni bi no I na sometime Ntim ase sibia mo politics no I na airtime sibia na modwen say so bi ebese oboa Santemai kwa na oboa Ashanti regional because of the political affiliation ti e wose epekwan bi so ne say nipa no ne say man no eni na mpuntu be ba Santememu pe na mpuntu no ende mame musa mo Ratchet Parker ye Ratchet Parker ye djuma enye djuma nipa bi ahye da say no ade bia ye na Santememu bia e wose NDC aban na de nsakan no MPP for mo Santememu ahye da asay no. And Central Market is the biggest the biggest developmental project at MPP NDC ayeno Asantimemu, and the MPP will find a way and burn it down. Omobeshino. Me say, Muntias Mamiki, the MPP supporters in the Ashanti region, Omobekeja to Central Marketing, because there was a time where they told us to say Central Marketing Crown Pa John Mahama Siano Sebio Enyefe. A young papa kufo ne kwaji loan or 2 for dia na John Mahama de or Jimmy for inform. They said a whole lot, and I can play the video for you to watch. Enti Central Market there Say buying as a nation. If we don't pay attention to the central market, the security should be very tight. If you don't pay very good attention to the market, the LPP supporters who work, eat from central market, livelihood, our central market, they wouldn't care. They will set the place ablaze. They will burn it down. And I see it coming. Me who's the central market in shit. Me who is the MPP supporters are planning to ban it. And they are going to ban it because that is the MPP for you. Me kaise ko for free power. Pharmaceutical companies, warehouses are buying CC and go for every free power. We have seen them do a lot. We have seen the MPP supporters do more damage to Ghana than anything. It's more as Ntim more central market as Sebio Majuni Juma Munimunyansa. We MPP for NDC for person will protect him with Jumano. Monya watchdogs, Moma Moninko a Jumano, Moma Moninko Kajet, a yes central market, and yes, sir. En kwasi afoka krebi no mufre mu no mahigwa no ama mu nyina ma no aduane abomo me de advice ametum de amamu no mo a mo central market amoton ade mo ma moni enko security de nipa bi ye enye sa mu nyina ma no aduane bebom because ye nipa bi wo central market omo ye MPP fo a omo pese omo higwa no efri se omo tirimu no NDC ba be phase 2 no na omo MPP nkwasiafo party ntumi ba power biom that limited liability party e friend MPP they are not going to come to power again into omo be say no I know my people enye ye dia e de bibia and say that is our DNA ewom me MPP ne asantifo bi no mo MPP no omo DNA ewom say enye ye dia e de nyina mboye and I know what they are head what they are trying to do omo be higwa no mo me very alert. All right, now
the MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,